Hello and welcome. This tutorial is about how you can invite your colleagues to BabtecQube in just a few steps in order to work together on quality topics such as complaints or tasks and actions in the future. Inviting colleagues can be done in different ways in BabtecQube. The easiest is to invite your colleagues via the dashboard, which you can see here. Alternatively, invitations can also be sent via your company starting page or the user management. Use the Invite Colleagues tile at the top right of the dashboard to send your invitations. Afterwards, enter the email address of the colleague you want to invite to your company account. Do you have multiple colleagues you want to invite? No problem. Just add multiple email addresses here, and all colleagues will receive an invitation. Finally, click on Send Invitation once again to send it. All sent invitations are displayed on the second tab. This way you can always keep track of which invitations have been accepted or are still open. Each colleague receives a personalized invitation for their company account in BabtecQube via email. By clicking on the Register button, he or she starts the registration process. Your colleague must now follow the onboarding instructions and register by entering their name, email address, and desired password, as well as confirming the terms of use. If they use the same email address for registration to which the invitation was sent, the email address is already confirmed, and they are directly assigned to your company account as a user. Optionally, there's the option to complete their user profile with a picture as well as information about their position and department. Clicking on Continue to BabtecQube completes the onboarding process, and your colleague can start working with you. Thank you for your interest.